Many creators out there don't know that adding transition to their video will make their video come out professional and it will keep viewers engaged. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to add a transition in a simple method and how you can use it to keep viewers engaged in your video. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to use ucut to achieve this is ucut over here. Then click on it and let it load. Okay, then click on the plus icon over here, then new project. I'm going to add a video clip. Okay, so I'll just add these 3 video clip right here. So I'll click on the arrow here, then this is the video. So as you can see here, if you want to add a transition to your video, make sure that the place you are adding the transition is when the video is switching to another video, and make sure that the transition doesn't fall in the place that you talk or the place that an action is being taking place. Okay, so just give it extra space so that the transition can rhyme with the action. Okay, so this is how to add a transition. Come to the end of a video clip. This is the end of the video clip here, then this one is the beginning of another video clip. Then make sure you tap outside to go to the home tab. Okay, so now click on the, you can see white background with pencil icon, black pencil icon. Okay, so tap on it. After tapping on it, then you see a lot of transition you can add. This one is miss, you can add this one, you can add this one. Okay, are you seeing the effect? Then you can add anyone you want. Yes, and then see this one, fade B. This one is fade, then this one is white fade, fade W. That's white fade. Are you seeing it? Then this one is move. So there's a lot of transition you can add. So there's a transition you add in a particular video, it will not rhyme with the action, it will be completely different. Okay, so don't make that mistake. This is the time that transition will perform. Okay, so you can increase it or decrease it. Are you seeing it? When you increase it, it will waste time for the transition to end, but when you decrease it, the transition will not waste time to display. Okay, so you can see, if you don't want this basic, you can go to Grish over here, then you can see the Grish transition. Okay, are you seeing the effect? Then slide, depending on the one you want, style. Okay, you can see blur out and blur in. Okay, so it's very awesome, this is very awesome. Then spots, you can see it, light, you can see it. So after choosing the transition that you want to put in your video, then you click on this check mark over here. Okay, so if you want the transition to repeat throughout the video clip, okay, you can click here, this double checking mark, you can click there, then the transition will repeat in every video clip. But if you want it to be in this particular video clip that you are editing, just click on the check mark, the single one here. Okay, so hope you understand. Have you seen that the transition has been added? This is a sign that shows you that transition has been added here. Okay, do you see how this one is? Then you can come to another part and click on the check mark again and add one you want and edit the time width. Okay, so this is how to add a transition to your video. I've said this before, make sure when adding transition, make sure you work with the time of the video. Okay, so if the time of the video is short, that means you are going to shorten the transition time. But if the time of the video is long, you have to increase the transition time rate. Okay, so adding transition to your video will make your video come out professional. So follow the steps that I show you now and you can make your video look professional, and it will keep viewers engaged, because if people are watching your video and they are seeing transition flowing on the screen, it will keep them still watching your video for a long time. Okay, while adding a transition in your video, don't add too much transition. Okay, because too much transition will make your video to be messy. All right, so just add a simple transition in some parts of the video clip. So hope you got value from this video. If you do, kindly hit the subscribe button and like this video and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay.